Hello, in this lab we're going to be working on lab 10.5.8, which is to configure a perimeter firewall. So you work as the IT security administrator for a small corporate network. You recently placed a web server in the demilitarized zone. You need to configure the perimeter firewall on the network security appliance PFSense to allow access to the web server in the DMS using both HTTP and HTTPS. You also want to allow all traffic from the LAN network to the DMC network. In this lab, your task is as follows: access the PFSense management console, which has the username and the admin provided. Create and configure a firewall rule to pass the HTTP traffic from the WAN to the web server in the DMZ. Configure and create and configure a firewall rule to pass HTTPS traffic from the WAN to the web server in the DMZ. Use the following credential. So you're given a credential in this table below. We have source, destination, IP address or host, description. Alright, so we are to create and configure a firewall rule to pass all traffic from the LAN network to the DMZ network. Use the description LAN to DMZ any. So this is lab 10.5.8. Let's start. Now this video might appear to be too fast for you. You can always pause the video occasionally and work at your own pace. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. So let's start up. We go to PFSense and we input the username and password that is given to us. So there's the password there, so we sign in. Alright, so now inside we go to let's see, what are we doing? Create and configure a firewall rule. Okay, so we go to firewall and rules and D1. We go to DMZ rather. So we go to let's see, what are we doing? Destination port service. So we let's say this is going to be one network, and then HTTP 80 single host or alias. Destination is going to be 19, IP address 192.168.1.15, and this is going to be HTTP any. It's going to be HTTP 80, and description is going to be for HTTP from 1 to DMZ. So description is going to be HTTP from 1 to DMZ. So you're going to save and go to this, click on one, this, click on single, and 172.1.5. destination port is going to be in, let's see, destination port is going to be HTTP, and description, let's see what description for HTTP S from 1. Okay, so that is it. Let's see, do we have any other thing we need? We're going to add create and configure a firewall rule to pass all traffic from the LAN network to the DMZ network. Use the description LAN to DMZ any. Okay, so it's going to be any, and then single host or alias. So let's go to LAN network DMZ, and description is going to be DMZ for HTTP. Okay, let's see. Okay, so that is it, folks. If this video was helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next.